Hi, today we will discuss work from that work done along the direction of force, work done along the component of the force. What is meant by work? If you ask any students what work you are doing, they will say, I am writing and playing and thinking, dancing, singing and doing homework. Like that, the students say. So, is it work? No, it is not work. But which is work? Work is here transfer of energy. Transfer of energy means, for example, if we take one train engine pulling the all bogies, energy is transferring from engine to all bogies. So because of that, all bogies will move along the direction of the engine pulling force. So here energy is transferring, transfer of energy. And when we say that work is said to be done, means it must satisfy the two conditions. The first condition is force must act on the object. And second condition, object must displace along the direction of the applied force. Or along the direction of the component of the force. Here, what is the difference between along the direction of the force and along the direction of the component of the force? In two cases, we will study work done. Here, example you see, train. These are the wheels and this is bogie attached to the another bogie and this attached to this engine. Here engine is pulling the bogies. That means it is applying the force along positive x-axis along this direction, force F. It is applied by engine. The remaining all bogies will move along this direction, applied force. S displacement. So along the direction of the applied force, what is the work done? Here work done along the direction of the force. First case, along the direction of the force. Here M block and we are applying the force on the M block, and after some time the position of the block is here because of applied force. It is displaced S after some time. Here force is along this direction, positive x-axis direction, and displacement also positive x-axis direction. Object is displacing along the direction of the applied force. Here work done W equals to force into displacement along the direction of the force. Direction of force. Here force is indicated by F and displacement is indicated by S. So W equals to here F into S. Simply we can write W equals to Fs. Here force and displacement both are parallel. For that equation is W equals to Fs. Here force is applying and displacement also same direction. And second case you observe work done along the component of the force. Here component of force, what does it mean? You can see work done along the component of force. What is meant by component of force? You can see here on the surface. Let us take M block. On this block we are applying F force inclined to the surface. After some time the position of the block is here and displacement between them is S. This is M block. So here F force is in two dimensional, that's why you need to resolve into two components. Along X component, X direction, it is making an angle theta with the horizontal component, and this is vertical component. Horizontal component is F cos theta and vertical component is F sin theta. Now F we can remove this because this is divided into two components along X axis and Y axis. Along Y axis displacement is 0, but along X axis displacement is S. So what is work done? Work done W equals to work done along X axis plus work done along Y axis. Work done along X axis, you know that Fs formula according to X axis, F cos theta is acting instead of F, S displacement, plus along Y axis, F sin theta is acting and displacement is S. Now this we can write again F S cos theta plus F sin theta into along Y axis displacement is 0, I am writing 0. So final Fs cos theta, because F sin theta is multiplied by 0, it means total term will be 0. Now work done W equals to Fs cos theta. This we can rewrite W equals to F bar dot S bar. This is another form. Here we know that A bar dot B bar equals to AB cos theta. According to this formula, AB cos theta look like Fs cos theta. That's why F bar dot S bar we can write. Now work done F bar dot S bar. Here F and S, force and displacement both are vectors or vector quantities. But dot product of two vectors is scalar. We know that. That's why work done is scalar quantity or scalar. Here dot product of any two vectors is always scalar. Now W equals to Fs. For Fs, what are the units? SI unit is force Newton and displacement S is measured in meter. SI unit is Newton meter, and another unit is there, that is joule, indicated by J. For work done, CGS unit is for Newton dyne, for meter centimeter, dyne centimeter, or another unit is erg. Here erg means energy. What about dimensional formula? Force dimensional formula, here F equals to ma. For force dimensional formula, m L T power minus 2. And for displacement, L. For F and S, we can write work done W equals to Fs. For Fs, we can write m L2 T power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula. Dimension